ito, maggamit mo lamang at ilagay ang lahat ng electronic devices sa flight mode. Para sa kaalaman ng lahat, ang paninigan nito, kabilang ang paggamit ng e-cigarettes ng AirAsia ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. Maraming salamat po.
Kasi, thank God for this weather.
For safety reasons, all guests are required to remain seated until the aircraft has come to complete stop and the balance of seatbelt sign is switched off. Thank you for your cooperation.
Welcome to Bohol! Ta-da! We're here at the arrival. Welcome arrives. Let's go. At the exit. Ito na, auntie. Ta-da!